Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through a very basic free script that I've written to allow you to convert CatDV items and databases into Cantemo Portal. It's a fairly straightforward process and can be done in a fairly short period of time. What it allows you to do is set up new metadata within the CatDV system to trigger automatic transfer of content, and it also will support putting that information into a custom group within our Cantemo portal. First thing I've done within Cantemo is built a CatDV metadata group, and what's important is we need to note down all of the different field IDs for our various fields. These are fields that we have mapped in our CatDV system as well. So if we look at any given element within our CatDV system, I've got nodes tape, and then I've got a couple of custom user fields here for photographer and project. Obviously, we can move these around however we like. Once we've done that, what's important to do for your first step is to take any element within CatDV that has metadata in every field. If it doesn't have metadata in every field, the XML file that gets exported will not have all of the fields proper and will not properly build a translator for you. But if you take any element within the system, highlight or add some data to every field, and export that as a CatDV XML file, we can then use that as part of the script. So I've already done that, and I'm going to run my script here. And the script first asks for the address of my Cantemo server. It asks for an admin username and an admin password. And then it asks for the location of my CatDV XML file. So I'm going to find that really quickly here. It is right on my desktop, and I can just drag it right on over and hit enter. What's going to happen now is it's going to prompt me for all of the different fields within CatDV and ask me for what field I want to put that information to in Portal. So I've already figured out all that information. I'm going to start typing that in. If you don't want a field to be mapped into Portal, you can simply skip it. It'll know not to map that field. And then I'm going to go through here and add all these so that they line up quickly. You'll also notice that it automatically pulls the naming of the user specified fields within CatDV. So you don't have to go looking up what user 1 through X is. I'm not going to map any of these other fields from CatDV right now. And as soon as that's done, I will actually run a script that automatically registers all of this content as a translation into Portal. So I have a storage set up within Portal right now, and it's called CatDV import. This is an auto import, auto ingest folder, and I have used the metadata group CatDV and the metadata translation transformation CatDV. This was what was just registered by that script, so I don't have to create that by hand. And now I've created one other automation within my CatDV worker node. If you want to take a look here, I have a send to portal button, and very simple. I am watching for my send to portal checkbox to be true. And what I am doing is sending or copying that high-res file into that folder along with the appropriate CatDV XML. So very simple, just 2 lines we have to do there. And now if we hop back into CatDV and we find a clip or a couple clips here, let's find some shorter clips we can send over. So if I want to take these 4 clips and I want to send them into Portal, I simply click the check send to portal box, hit save. That updates, and if we watch our worker node within a few seconds here, we will see that these jobs kick off. So all of that is now complete. And if we hop back over into our Portal system and take a look at the jobs, within a few seconds here, we will see all of those elements show up. Now that Portal has picked up those jobs, it's automatically going to create frame-accurate proxies within the Portal system. And during that job process, it will import the metadata as well. So we will wait for these jobs to complete. All right, now that our job is complete, we can go quickly look at that item. And we can take a look and see that the file is brought in, a new proxy has been generated by Portal, and information from CatDV was automatically brought in and mapped. So it was in my media catalog, bin was Lucio, and tape was P2 import. If I hop over into CatDV and take a look at that clip, and we will be able to see that that information is the same. So simple as that for creating automated transfer from Portal or from CatDV into Portal. So if you're looking to move away from CatDV or simply need to share with a Portal install in your environment, it's a very simple way to do so.